shit. That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys. What are you talking about?
Yes, we bought an old VW Vanagon camper. It's made in 1986 and it sounds a bit like this. Our goal is to build it out to be ready for a long road trip in the summer months. Why would we buy such an old car, you might say? Especially knowing that we need to put in countless hours just to get it sort of up to date.
Used to these old cars.
Well, it's a dream of ours and now is the best time to fulfill that dream. In this video series, we'll show you the progress, the result, and finally how it will handle the upcoming trip we have planned. First things first, out with the old and in with the new. Like we expected, we quickly ran into some surprises as we started to remove the old interior. The floor in the kitchen was totally rotten and the smell coming from the molded floor was really bad. Our van isn't that rusty, luckily, but we did discover this as we removed the floor. Fixing this hole was something we didn't want to do ourselves, so it felt good leaving the van with skilled mechanics that would fix it quickly. Today we're checking out the car at a mechanic's shop. We have discovered a hole in the floor. It's rusty and pretty nasty, but as you can see, we have emptied all of the interior. So it should be easy to access, at least for the mechanics. It's fun being out on a little mini road trip, and Zulu is approving. Zulu!
Hej, du fin bil. Och det är en fin bil.
When building a van, there is no shortage of things to do. So we started working on the sofa and the other pillows. The old fabric was worn and torn, and the new color would look better in our new interior.
So we're ready to get started. Or actually we need some more tools first. The car is not gonna look like this when this weekend is done.
Next, we started working on the new floor. We went for a vinyl floor cover, because we wanted a waterproof cover that could sustain the wear and tear it would have, as we are outdoorsy people with a dog who likes to get messy when we're out hiking. That's it for part 1 of the van build series. We can't wait to do more work on the van and make it more beautiful and functional than ever. Subscribe to keep up to date with the progress, and let's see what the next episode will bring.